Today I'm taking you inside one of Florida's biggest Momo factories to grace, right here in Miami Trullo, where over 10,000 Momos are made every single day.
Alright, let's start from the very beginning. Ishan, the dough.
Every worker here follows strict hygiene protocol before touching a single ingredient.
Look at the scale of this operation. It's nothing like a regular kitchen.
This place runs like clockwork, and today you're getting full access.
It all starts with premium all-purpose flour, sourced fresh daily. It goes straight into this industrial mixer. Water is added in exact measured amounts to taint. Precision matters here.
This machine does in minutes what would take hours by hand.
A short resting period makes all the difference in texture. From here, it heads straight to the next station. The team checks texture constantly to keep quality consistent. Every morning, fresh vegetables roll in straight from local Florida farms.
First up, Toomage, fresh cabbage, a key ingredient in the filling.
And this corn adds a nice natural sweetness to the mix.
Cauliflower goes through the same quality check.
Vegetable is processed separately for even texture.
Vegetables go in whole and come out perfectly diced. Efficiency like this is what keeps up with daily demand.
Each vegetable is processed separately for an even texture.
Next stop, print, salting.
Here's where things speed up, Taze. This automatic chopper.
This step is key. It's what gives the filling its signature taste. 10 kilos of vegetables, chopped in under 5 minutes.
Salting draws out excess moisture from the vegetables.
All the chopped veggies are gathered here before the next step. All the chopped veggies are gathered here before the next step. This blend is what makes Momo King's fillings stand out. Now for the flavor Kaizen. A custom spice blend goes in next. See how much water comes out? That's exactly what we wanted.
Sets the exact portion size and dough thickness here. From here, it moves into the feeder system.
Perfectly seasoned, perfectly mixed, a queue every single batch.
Everything goes into this industrial mixer for an even blend.
On a fast run, this machine can finish a full batch in under an hour. Watch closely, Epstered. The dough forms a sheet on one side.
It's done. Now let's get into the filling. Pipes take a few minutes to push the filling all the way through. All right, the machine's ready. Let's watch it make Momos. Look at that, Asting. Fully formed Momos, coming out one after another. This entire process is 100% automated. And the filling gets deposited automatically, right in the center. At normal speed, they produce 12 to 1,500 Momos per batch.
You'll find mixed vegetable momos right here.
And for meat lovers too, Stowe, They're chicken Momo packs.
From factory floor to your front door when seen. That fast.
3 more pallets for the afternoon run.
Okay, bring in the next one now.
Trucks deliver fresh, daily, across the greater Miami area. Franchise opportunities are open too, if anyone's interested.
Their number's right there on the pack.
You can also reach them online, links down in the description.
Every packet is sealed fresh and labeled clearly.
They're open from noon straight through 9:30 at night.
Here's one of their retail outlets, right in the heart of Miami.
And within minutes, it's out the door with a delivery driver.
Every online order gets packed fresh right after it's placed.
Orders come in live, straight to the kitchen screen.
These days, most people just order straight from their phone.
But the factory itself gets going as early as 6 a.m. You can see the steam still rising. That's how fresh it's served. Look at this table sear. Friends just hanging out, digging into a fresh plate.
Honestly, nothing beats eating them fresh, right here in the shop.
And that right there, that's a happy customer.
That's the Miami skyline right there, Quell. This order's not far from home.
Step delivery, hot and fresh, exactly how it should be. And that right there, that's a happy customer.
The kids are fans, Teet. It's a whole family thing here.
This place stays packed, morning to night.
Chili sauce again, people can't get enough of it.
All right, let's actually try these Momos.
And with this Miami weather, outdoor seating is always the move.
Batches keep coming straight from the kitchen to the counter.
Empty plates and big smiles. That's the real review.
I've had Momos all over the country, but this Miami spot might be the best yet. $8 for 10 pieces, solid
Ever
value.
in Miami, Florida, Momo King is a must-try. See you in the next video.